Hello, my name is Lavia. Xin chào cô. Tại đây người talk about the topic I see you England. What? Yeah, spoon. A spoon is spoon. What? Yeah, star. A star is the sky. Star. What? Yeah, tissue. A tissue. Okay. Let you know. Tissue. What? Yeah. Toilet. A toilet. I get. You know? Toilet. What? Yeah. Train. A train is a train. A train. What? Yeah. Trumpet. A trumpet is trumpet. What? Yeah. Wallet. A wallet is on my person. Wallet. Money. Wallet. What? Yeah. Wash. A wash in my hand. Wash. Wash. What? Yeah. Yaw. A yaw is long. Yaw. Yaw. What? Zipper. A zipper is a zip. Is zipper. Or zipper. Well, I see you on the morning. Sir is a spoon. A spoon is very to use as eat. A star is on the sky. Star is on the. Did you know? Eat the star. Eat a star. No, it's a very star. What do you? A tissue. I get what the toilets. Do you love a toilet? A tissue with my nose. A toilet with my nose. It's a toilet. What do you? A tissue on the toilet. A train is so red at the tube. A train is so much. A trumpet is another one. Is a soy is sauce. You like soy, and a trumpet is a tree is a wallet is so it must a wallet is so what in mine was a what is so what is on the what no. Look at the zipper. Yaw. A yaw is so much fun. Yaw is so new. A t-shirt. Why do you want a shirt? A red yaw and green yaw. It a black yaw is red on the mouse. What are you making on the mouse? Bye bye. Stop này. Stop này. Stop này. Tắt rồi.
Mà cả hai đấy.
Còn đi chưa?
Ừ.